Glow up your summer skin, watch now. Welcome to Health Glow Up, your go-to guide for achieving radiant skin. Today, we're diving into the world of summer skincare, specifically targeting those with oily skin and acne. Let's unlock the secrets to a glowing complexion, even in the scorching heat. Understanding oily skin and acne. Oily skin is caused by overactive sebaceous glands, leading to a shiny complexion. Acne occurs when oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria clog pores. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Skincare routine for oily skin in summer. Here's a simple yet effective skincare routine for oily skin. Gentle cleansing. Use a mild, oil-free cleanser to remove impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. Exfoliation. Regularly exfoliate to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Opt for gentle chemical exfoliants or physical scrubs. Moisturize. Yes, even oily skin needs hydration. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Sun protection. Shield your skin from harmful UV rays with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of SPF 30 or higher. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Desi Nuskas for oily skin and acne. Let's explore some traditional remedies to combat oily skin and acne. Multani Mitti. This powerful clay absorbs excess oil and tightens pores. Mix it with rose water for a refreshing mask. Aloe vera. Soothe inflammation and promote healing with the goodness of aloe vera gel. Neem. Harness the antibacterial properties of neem to fight acne. Use neem-based products or create a toner. Turmeric. Reduce inflammation and brighten your skin with turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antiseptic powers. Tips for glowing skin. To achieve a radiant complexion, remember these essential tips. Nourish your skin from within. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and water. Stay active. Exercise improves blood circulation and promotes healthy skin. Prioritize sleep. Get enough restful sleep for skin repair and rejuvenation. Manage stress. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. By following these skincare tips and incorporating Desi Nuskas into your routine, you can achieve a clear, glowing complexion, even in the summer. Remember, consistency is key. Be patient and kind to your skin. Thank you for watching Health Glow Up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and advice.